Want to dominate your favorite games with power and speed? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best gaming PCs on Amazon, perfect for high-end graphics, smooth frame rates, and immersive gameplay. From blazing fast processors to premium GPUs and sleek builds, these rigs are ready to take your gaming to the next level. Stick around to find the one that's worth your investment. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the best gaming gear and build guides. At number 1 we have STGAubron Gaming PC Computer. This gaming PC desktop is built to handle everything from immersive gaming to study, business work, photo and video editing, streaming, day trading, and even crypto trading with smooth, reliable performance. Powered by an Intel Core i5-13400F processor with speeds up to 4.6 GHz, 16 GB of DDR4 memory, a fast 512 GB SSD, and genuine Windows 11 Home, it delivers responsive multitasking and quick load times. For gamers, it runs a wide range of popular titles like Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, GTA 5, Valorant, Apex Legends, Minecraft, Elden Ring, and Hogwarts Legacy at 60+ FPS with ease, thanks to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3056GB GDDR6 graphics card. Connectivity is well covered with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, RJ45 Ethernet, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, and 4 RGB fans for enhanced airflow and style. At number 2 we have ACEMAGICIAN S3A Mini PC. Powered by the unstoppable AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor built on advanced Zen 4 architecture and 4nm technology, this mini gaming PC delivers elite-level performance with 8 cores, 16 threads, up to 4.9 GHz boost speed, and power that rivals or even surpasses Core i9-12900HK in most tasks, making it a perfect all-in-one solution for gamers and creators alike. Graphics are handled by the AMD Radeon 780M integrated GPU with 12 compute units, delivering up to 8 times higher frame rates than older Vega graphics and outperforming Intel Iris Xe by around 55% in benchmarks, allowing modern games to run smoothly without a discrete GPU. Equipped with dual-channel 16GB DDR5 5600 MHz memory, upgradable to 64GB, and a blazing fast 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD, this system offers faster loading, smoother multitasking, and ultra-responsive performance. Multiple performance modes let you switch between silent, auto, and full performance settings for quiet work, balanced use, or maximum gaming power, while customizable RGB lighting enhances the gaming atmosphere. At number 3 we have Skytech Gaming Azure 3 Desktop PC. Built for extreme performance, this high-end gaming PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X processor running at 4.5 GHz with up to 5.4 GHz turbo boost, paired with a lightning-fast 1TB Gen 4 M.2 SSD that delivers up to 30 times faster speeds than traditional hard drives for instant boot times and rapid game loading. Advanced cooling is handled by a premium 360mm AIO liquid CPU cooler with ARGB fans, eliminating the limits of outdated air coolers and keeping temperatures under control so you can push performance without thermal throttling. Connectivity includes 802.11 acres Wi-Fi, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, multiple USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HD audio and mic support, plus no bloatware for a clean system, along with a free gaming keyboard and mouse. Housed in the Skytech Azure tempered glass case and professionally assembled in the USA, this system is backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty, free technical support, and the power to run today's biggest titles at ultra settings in detailed 1440p Quad HD with smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. At number 4 we have STGAubron AMD Ryzen 7 Gaming PC. This gaming PC desktop is well suited for a variety of tasks including gaming, study, home, business, photo and video editing, streaming, day trading, crypto trading, and so on. This high-performance gaming computer desktop is capable of running a wide range of popular PC games for PC gamer, including Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, Escape from Tarkov, GTA 5, World of Warcraft, LOL, Valorant, Apex Legends, Roblox, Overwatch, CSGO, Battlefield V, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Rocket League, The Division 2, and Hogwarts Legacy with 60+ FPS. PC gaming system. This gaming computer desktop is loaded with AMD Ryzen 7 5700G 3.8 GHz up to 4.6 GHz 16 GB DDR4 memory 1TB solid-state drive genuine Windows 11 Home 64-bit. Gaming desktop connectivity. Gaming computer special feature. This gaming PC equips with RGB gaming mouse and keyboard, 1-year parts and labor-free lifetime tech support. At number 5 we have CyberPowerPC Gamer Master Gaming PC. This powerful gaming desktop is built around the AMD Ryzen 7 8700 F8 core processor running at up to 4.1 GHz, paired with the advanced AMD B850 chipset, 16 GB of DDR5 memory, and a fast 1TB C4.0 SSD, delivering smooth performance for gaming, productivity, and everyday multitasking on Windows 11 Home. Graphics are powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, 8 GB, offering excellent visuals and fluid gameplay with support for HDMI and dual DisplayPort displays. Connectivity is extensive with USB-C and USB-A ports, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, LAN, and immersive 7.1 channel audio for a complete setup. The system features a tempered glass side panel with custom RGB lighting for a clean, modern look and includes a keyboard and mouse to get you started right away. Backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty and free lifetime technical support, this PC delivers performance, style, and long-term reliability in one complete package. At number 6 we have Suevery RTX 3056G Gaming PC. Elegant pure white aesthetics and cool lighting effects, the entire machine features a pure white themed design, paired with 5 RGB lighting fans that can be customized to suit personal preferences. Advanced airflow design ensures components remain cool even under high loads. Equipped with a 12th generation Core i5-12400F processor, 6 cores, 12 threads, it delivers exceptional multitasking capabilities and smooth performance, effortlessly handling office software, multitasking, and mainstream gaming demands. Equipped with an RTX 3050 graphics card, 6 GB, it runs smoothly, allowing you to enjoy mainstream games at 1080p high resolution, while also meeting the hardware acceleration requirements for video editing, graphic design, and other creative software. Built-in 32 GB DDR4 high-speed memory, 3200 MHz, ensures faster and smoother loading and running of large software, multitasking, and games, effectively improving work efficiency and entertainment experience. The spacious 1TB SSD hard drive provides ample space for all your game installations and video files. It is ready to use out of the box, eliminating the hassle of assembly, making it an ideal choice for users seeking a balance between aesthetics and performance. At number 7 we have Skytech Gaming Crystal Gaming PC. AMD Ryzen 7 5700 3.7 GHz, 4.6 GHz Turbo Boost, CPU processor 1TB M.2 SSD, up to 30x faster than traditional HDD high-performance air cooler. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 8GB GDDR7 graphics card, brand may vary, 32 GB DDR4 RAM, 3200 gaming memory with heat spreader, Windows 11 Home 64-bit. 802.11 AC no bloatware. Graphic output options include 1x HDMI and 1x DisplayPort promised. Additional ports may vary. USB ports including 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HD audio and mic, free gaming keyboard and mouse. High-performance air cooler, maximum airflow and ARGB fan. Skytech crystal case with triple tempered glass, Black Edition, 1-year warranty on parts and labor-free technical support, assembled in the USA. This powerful gaming PC is capable of running all your favorite games such as Call of Duty, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 5, Valorant, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Overwatch 2, Counter-Strike 2, Battlefield V, Minecraft, Elden Ring Shadow of the Erdtree, Rocket League. At number 8 we have BEASTCOM Q3 Gaming PC Desktop. Built with unique processing for maximum efficiency, these computers are carefully optimized to deliver top-level performance, ensuring smooth gameplay and limitless fun with a perfectly balanced gaming configuration. Designed to offer the best price-to-performance ratio, the Q3 series is ideal for gaming, office work, or everyday home use, letting you dive deep into the gaming world with consistently strong FPS. Every system is backed by the Beast Guarantee, offering a free replacement within 30 days if any issues arise, along with a worry-free 1-year all-in warranty for complete peace of mind. Each PC is handmade with precision and passes multiple quality and performance checks before leaving the factory to ensure excellent reliability. Finished with vibrant RGB lighting, the Q3 series stands out as a true eye-catcher, delivering bold colors, dynamic effects, and a gaming setup that looks as powerful as it performs. At number 9 we have STGAubron AMD Ryzen 5 Gaming PC. This gaming PC desktop is well suited for a variety of tasks including gaming, study, home, business, photo and video editing, streaming, day trading, crypto trading, and so on. This high-performance gaming computer desktop is capable of running a wide range of popular PC games for PC gamer, including Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, Escape from Tarkov, GTA 5, World of Warcraft, LOL, Valorant, Apex Legends, Roblox, Overwatch, CSGO, Battlefield V, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Rocket League, The Division 2, and Hogwarts Legacy with 60+ FPS. PC gaming system. This gaming computer desktop is loaded with AMD Ryzen 5 5500 3.6 GHz up to 4.2 GHz 16 GB DDR4 memory 1 TB solid-state drive genuine Windows 11 Home 64-bit. Gaming desktop connectivity. This gaming PC comes with RGB Fan 1X serial Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth 5.2 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12G DDR6 video card 1X HDMI 1X DisplayPort. Gaming computer special feature. This gaming PC equips with RGB gaming mouse and keyboard 1-year parts and labor-free lifetime tech support. At number 10 we have BOSGAME P2 Lite Mini PC. Powerful i5-12450H. BOSGAME i5 Mini PC is equipped with Core i5-12450H processor, HC/12T, 13M cache, up to 4.4 GHz, suitable for light design tasks, and gaming titles like PUBG and LOL. Dual SSD slot and dual channel RAM. BOSGAME P2 Lite Mini Computers is equipped with high-speed dual channel 16 GB DDR4 and 512 GB M.2 2280 SSD. BOSGAME P2 Lite comes with two M.2 2280 SSD slots supporting up to 8 TB of storage, 2x4 TB. Triple displays. BOSGAME 12450H Mini Computer supports triple 4K 60Hz display by 1 CME 2.0 plus 1 XDP plus 1 USB-C. Enjoy super first-class picture quality and easily improved work efficiency. Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth 5.2, Mini PC 12450H comes with the latest triple-band Wi-Fi 6, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, which is faster than Wi-Fi 5, and is also equipped with Bluetooth 5.2 for easy wireless device connections. Compatible with a variety of operating systems, BOSGAME P2 Lite supporting the installation of a variety of operating systems. Compatible, Windows 11 Pro, Windows 10, various Linux systems, Ubuntu operating system, Plex etc.